Hi, friend. This week we're talking about affirmations. Do they really work? Debbie here to guide you in rebuilding and rediscovering your life after divorce. After my own divorce, I experienced months and years of feeling lost and grieving over a future I thought would unfold differently. But then I discovered tools that genuinely worked for me. Over the past 10 years, I've dedicated myself to learning and growing so that I could help others avoid staying stuck in the pain as long as I did. I would love to walk alongside you and share what I've learned on this journey. I hope it can be as transformative for you as it was for me. Let's explore affirmations today. Affirmations are positive statements designed to help individuals rebuild their confidence. However, you may be wondering, what happens when our subconscious mind doesn't believe these affirmations? It's like painting over rust. It might not have the desired effect. Our brain might accept affirmations, but if our core belief isn't aligned with them, such as believing we're not worthy or not enough, these affirmations may not stick. Yes, affirmations can be powerful, but it's critical to address our core beliefs, helping our subconscious mind accept that we are worthy of the affirmations is vital. How do we convince our mind that we are worthy? By understanding our past and seeing that our brains are shaped by the past experiences and perceptions. If you faced childhood difficulties like bullying or abuse, these could form negative core beliefs. We can challenge old beliefs. This helps our mind see other possibilities. We need to disprove old beliefs by using self love. By showing ourselves care and kindness we might have missed, we challenge the beliefs that we're not worthy. These actions demonstrate our worthiness. Over time, by actively showing ourselves love, our brain can release old negative beliefs. This shift makes space for the affirmation to feel true and empowering. Then releasing negative patterns, our brain's old limiting beliefs, affirmations can generally resonate, transforming our self view and the world around us. Affirmations can be impactful, but they work best alongside brain training. Our brain is our most powerful resource. It protects and nurtures us. Yet sometimes this protective mechanism hinders us from living the life we desire. Retraining our mind to perceive ourselves positively can empower us to rediscover and rebuild our lives. This journey has profoundly impacted me, allowing me to see my life and identity in a new light. I hope it offers you the same transformative power as you embrace this next chapter. Shedding old beliefs and embracing empowering new ones to live a life full of joy. Thank you for sharing your precious time with me, and remember, you're more powerful than you think. Sending you so much love, Coach Debbie Forthwigley. Bye for now.